think so. What's that? Oh, it's a pod. So this is Obergurgl. So where was that building that we photographed Louise in front of? Because I'm sure when we got to Obergurgl before, we sort of stopped. There was a bit of a dirt tracky area and it didn't sort of go on beyond it really. Are we actually in Obergurgl?
We don't seem to have a town or anything.
No. There was a very fancy hotel we were in front of, like that one. That's Obergurgl done.
Oh, okay. That wasn't the
Don't recognise it at all. Maybe we did go a bit further then,
That
yeah?
wasn't the Obergurgl I remember.
What did you think?
There was all lots of little shops and
Yes, there was.
cows and...
Hang on, wait, there's still more to come. Look, the centre is 1.5 kilometres. So what was that about
I
then?
don't know. Look, Obergurgl. Yeah, it's
And Hochgurgl is to the left. Do you want to go to Obergurgl or Hochgurgl? Did you say straight on? Yeah, Obergurgl, shall we?
Yeah.
And then we'll go back up there afterwards, yeah? This is more like it.
Nothing like it, is it?
No, we're not there yet, babe, that's why. It's a little bit further. Wow, look at that down there, how lovely. Beautiful, babe, what a day. So this is why it's dead end Obergurgl. That's what I remember.
Is it?
Yeah. Why did he say Obergurgl down there? It was a bit strange, wasn't it? Well, basically, you get there and you turn around, you got to go back, look. There's a dead end. But we will stop at the top and hopefully find that building that we photographed Louise in front of. And you will get your picture in front of it. It seemed to be a little bit more built up than I remember it. Yeah? Yeah. I would say a lot more built up than I remember it. Very modern now, isn't it? See you. Wow, wow, wow.
Was that the end of it?
Yeah, that's it, babe.
Wow, there's a hotel at the bottom, which is a nice hotel.
Yeah.
There.
Lovely. Idol of Obergurgl.
Oh, it's not the end yet.
Is it not?
No? Could you go down there?
Probably. I don't know actually. Can we?
Yeah. I don't know.
I think that's it, babe.
Okay.
It's not as quaint as I remember it, babe. Oh, there's the church. I remember that.
Church. Oh, that one.
And where was the building that we stopped with Lou? It was very pretty.
Probably all been knocked down.
Yeah, I think. Wow. Well.
There you go.
It's very nice. I mean, they've got a lot of stuff. It's all fairly modern, though. This.
It's obviously a winter resort.
Yeah, but beautiful for walking in the summer. That place up there. Look. The only way up there has surely got to be by cable car or something.
Loads of parking places here.
Yeah, free as well. And look at this. Cycle path. But those horses there.
I know, that's all one way.
They're looking at us.